Fast loan advance. Need cash fast, get quick, hassle-free loans with no hidden fees, whether it's an unexpected expense or an urgent bill. Our fast loan advances offer you the funds you need in record time. Apply now and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible repayment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get the support you need today. So hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can loan money on Fast Loan Advance. So first of all you have to do is open the web browser and dive into Fast Loan Advance. So before talking about Fast Loan Advance, let's know what is Fast Loan Advance first. So it's designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers quick access to funds with a streamlined application process, often without lengthy paperwork, either ideal for unexpected expenses or emergencies. These loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent financial needs efficiently. So using a fast loan advance typically involves a few straightforward steps, as we have here some information in Reddit talking about fast loan advance. We have here titles and explain more fast loan advance and his. Then also we have your Outlook here, talk about it. Also we have bad credit here, and we have here the homepage of Fast Loan Advance. You can just click over it, and this is it. We have here some information. You have to write it like how much do you need. We have here between $200 and $500, and between $500 and $1,000. Then we have between $1,000 and $2,500. Then we have 2,000. Sorry, I mentioned before here 1,000 and $2,500, and we have here 2,500 and $5,000. Sorry again. So right now I will give you some of steps that you have to follow if you want to be good with Fast Loan Advance. Involves a few straightforwards. So we have the first step, it's assess your need. So all you have to do is determine how much money you need and for what purpose. This will help you choose the right loan amount and type. Then we have resource lenders. Find reputable lenders that offer fast loan advances. Compare interest rates, fees, and terms to find the best option for you. Then we have apply online or in person. Complete the application process. You'll usually need to provide personal information, proof of income, and details about your financial situation. Then we have review terms. Carefully read the loan agreement, including interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you'll receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. And you have then repay the loan, follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement, make repayments on time to avoid penalties, and maintain a good credit history. Then we have monitor your finances after receiving the loan, keep track of your spending and financial situation to ensure you can manage repayments without additional strain. So by following these steps, you can effectively use a fast loan advance to address your immediate financial needs. So right now I'll give you some key benefits of a fast loan advance. Now the first one is quick access to funds. Fast loan advances provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Then we have simple application process. The application process is usually straightforward and maybe completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. We have flexibility. Many fast loans offer flexible repayment terms and amounts, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are insecure, meaning you don't need to provide a collateral to get approved. Then we have convenience. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have credit building opportunities. If you make timely payments, it can positively impact your credit score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. We will have transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. Then we have the last one is immediate relief. Fast loans can help you address urgent financial issues such as medical expenses, car repairs, or unexpected bills, providing immediate relief and peace of mind. That's the last one. So right now, when you use a fast loan advance, consider these pieces of advice to manage it effectively. So you have the first one, it's only borrow what you need. Borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Overborrowing can lead to higher payment amounts and financial strain. Then you have understand the terms. Carefully review the loan terms, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payments. Then we have on full payment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan. Budget for monthly and ensure you have the means to meet them without compromising your essential expenses. Then you have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble and difficulty managing your payments. Then you have check your credit. Review your credit report before applying for a loan. A good credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates. Then we have consider alternative if possible. Explore other financing options such as personal savings, borrowing from friends or family, or other types of credit with better terms. Then we have keep track of spending. Use the funds wisely, stick to your budget and avoid unnecessary expenditures to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan. Then we have be cautious with lenders, choose reputable lenders and avoid those hidden fees or predatory practices. Verify thus their legitimacy and read customer reviews if available. Then we have the last one, it's monitor your financial health. We will already review your financial situation and loan status to stay on top of your obligation and make adjustments if needed. So then by following these steps, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So without forgetting the last one, it's plan for emergencies. If you frequently find yourself in need of fast loans, consider setting up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses in the future. So by following these steps, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So using a fast loan advance can be a practical solution for urgent financial needs, offering quick access to funds with minimal paperwork to maximize its benefits. Borrow only what you need thoroughly and understand the loan terms and plan for timely repayment. Always choose reputable lenders and consider alternative options when possible. By managing the loan wisely and staying on top of your finances, you can address immediate expenses while maintaining financial stability. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.